Hello, this is George Hart from TimKipTutorials.com. In the last episode of my tutorials, we created our panel for our probe meshing system. In this tutorial, we're going to create the inbox. So what I did is I opened up inbox and pmcheck.php. If you've already got them open, it's alright. Copy all from index.php, create a new file, delete everything that's in there, and paste it. Okay. Now open your pmcheck file, and at line 20 it says check for all messages in inbox. Copy all that and paste it into here. Right, and just change inbox messages total to inbox messages. And we'll save that as pm_inbox, just so we've saved it. Now what you do is under your so what we do is underneath the table here, go shift enter for BR, creates a new line, and then go PHP, open PHP, close PHP, and go require once includes connect.php. $SQL equals selects all from PM inbox where user ID equals PID, order by ID descending of the EC. $result equals, you can actually cut spaces if you want, you don't have to, but result equals MySQL underscore query is SQL. And go $count equals MySQL underscore num underscore rows result. Okay, and that's that part done there. So now what you do is underneath there, you add a new table, Control Shift T, 800. Underneath the table there, go form, name, form 1, method, post, action, pm inbox.php. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to grab that on there and go td width 41, go shift 3, and you want to copy that again and change that value to 490 and put in title, last but not least, put that in again, and that value is 255. Now that makes 800, so we just go from. Alright, now what you do below the tr tag, put in PHP, close PHP, and go while rows equal MySQL underscore fetch underscore array. It's not my D, it's my S. MySQL fetch array. And put in result. Alright. Open that up like that. In there. So that's all good. Now what you do is you grab all that code there again, like that. You put that in here, like that. Alright. Above that, go PHP if rows viewed, if those rows viewed equals 0, this will be show messages in bold. Okay, so now this will show messages in bold. So now what you do is align is center. Okay, so align center. Alright, so now what you do is you go input type, the checkbox ID is check box, that value is PHP echo rows ID. Alright, just in that like that, and that's that part there done. Okay, so now in your title you add in a ref pm view in.php, you go question mark equals in question mark in equals PHP rows PHP echo rows ID we'll end that there. And what you do is you go bold, close bold, go PHP echo rows title echo rows title. Alright, so now that does that part, and you go from, and you change that to PHP echo rows from username. Right, so that's that part there done. Okay, so now what we do is we now add in underneath this tr tag here, go PHP else if rows viewed equals 1 in that. Copy that, so you literally just copy all of that, paste that into there, and you just cut out the bold in the line where it says view pm view in.php, and you just cut that out there like that, and now that will do that part there. And now all you have to do is you just add in PHP like that, PHP like that. Alright, so now we add in underneath here, we go tr td col span equals 3. Oops, align center. Alright, and then you just go PHP if inbox messages is greater than 0, input type equals submit, input type submit, name equals delete, ID equals delete, value equals delete selected messages, and that's what we want to do. Then we go PHP else print there are no messages in your inbox. Okay. And I forgot to put that little box there. Alright, so now what will happen is it will, so now if you save it and you view this and you go inbox, it's coming up with an error on line 75. Oops, it should be that there. Okay, so now what will happen is it will, line 80, sorry. Get rid of that. Line 83. The joys of code. PHP requirements. Okay, so what I'll do is for the, oh whoops, I see, I forgot to end it right there, my bad. So now when I refresh it, it will now show up in here saying there's no new messages. Okay, so my time's almost up, so what I'll do is in the next tutorial we'll do the code that will display the messages. Well, we've already started on that, so now it displays it, but the code that will actually, so basically what will happen now, if I go into my PM inbox and I will insert a new insert something, so we'll go user ID 1 dual chart, alright, and then we go from 1 dual chart, and then we'll go hello, I like hello. Okay, so now you just go, and then when you refresh it shows up, but it's not showing up bold for some reason. I'll just check why it's not showing up bold. Yeah, in PM inbox, change the line viewed, change the default value to 0. I made a slight miscalculation when I did that, but it's still not. What I'll do is I'll find out what I did wrong, and then we will carry on from there. So this is Dual Chart from timkiptutorials.com. Thank you very much.